Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 Mathematics Theory question number 1A. The question says, given that 100 base x is equal to 40 base 5, find the value of x. So we convert first of all 110 base x to base 10. Okay, so let's begin. So we have 110 base x equals to 40 base 5. So this is equal to 1 times x squared plus 1 times 1 raised to power 1 plus 0 times x raised to power 0 is equal to 4 times 5 raised to power 1 plus 0 times 5 raised to power 0. So this will give us, we have x squared plus x plus 0 times 1 equals to 4 times 5 plus 0 times 1. So this will give us, we have x squared plus x plus 0 equal to 20. So that means we have x squared plus x minus 20 equals to 0. So x squared plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 equals to 0. So we have, by factorizing, we have x into x plus 5 minus 4 x plus 5 equals to 0. So we have x plus 5, then x minus 4 is equal to 0. So let's come to this side. X minus 4 equals to 0, or x minus 5 equals to 0. X plus 5, sorry. So here x is equal to 4, or x is equal to minus 5. So our x is equal to 4. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, www.educateafricans.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 Mathematics Theory question number 1B. It says simplify 15 root 75 plus root 108 plus the root of 432, leaving your answer in the form a root b, where a and b are positive integers. So let's begin by finding the LCM. Root 75. So here we have 15, follow me closely, plus we have root 75 times root 108 plus root 75 times root 432. So this will give us 15 plus, if you multiply this together, you have 8100 plus, if you multiply this together also, you have 3 2 4 0 0. Everything over, of course this is the root of 25 times 3. So this one will give us 15, to give us 15 plus the root of 8100 is 90, then plus the root of 300 and 2400 is 32,400 is 180. So this is divided by 5 root 3. Okay, so this will eventually give us, this will be equal to 285 over 5 root 3, 5 root 3. And then if we conjugate this, now before conjugating, if you divide 5, you will have, if you divide by 5, 285, you have 57 over root 3. And then if you conjugate this, you have root 3 over root 3. So this will give us 57 root 3 over 3. Okay, so 3 in 57 will give us 19, and we are left with root 3. So that's the answer. 19 root 3 is the answer in the form of a root b, where a and b are positive integers. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube, www.educateafricans.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 mathematics question number 2A. The question says, find the equation of the line which passes through the point. Which passes through the points A minus 2 and 7 and B 2 and minus 3. Okay, so from the question we have x1 is equal to minus 2, y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to 2, and y2 is equal to minus 3. So using the relation y minus y1 over y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 over x2 minus x1. So we have y minus 7 over minus 3 minus 7 is equal to x minus 2 over 2 minus 2. This will give us y minus 7 over minus 10. Okay, this will give us x plus 2 over 2 plus 2. So here we have, let's come to this side. We have 4. If you cross multiply, you have 4. Y minus 7 equal to minus 10. X plus 2. We have 2y. 2 into y minus 7 equals to minus 5. X plus 2. We divide 2 by 2, so we have 2y minus 14 is equal to minus 5x minus 10. Okay, so we have 5x plus 2y equals to minus 10 plus 14. This will be 5x plus 2y equals to 4. Now 5x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 is the required equation. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel www.educateafricans.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 Mathematics Theory question number 2B. Given that 5b minus a over 8b plus 3a is equal to 1 over 5. Find AB correction to 2 decimal places, the value of a b. Okay, now the way to go about this problem is to divide the numerator and the denominator by b. So let's begin the solving. Okay, so let's have divide the numerator and the denominator by b. Okay, so that means we have 5b over b minus a over b. Okay, over everything over 8b over b plus 3a over b. Now this will be equal to 1 over 5. Okay, so that means we have 5 minus a over b, put this in bracket, over 8 plus 3 a b. Okay, a over b, everything is equal to 1 over 5. Okay, so this will give us 5 into 5 minus a over b. Remember, this is in bracket, is equal to 8 plus 3 A over B. Okay, so here we have, if you open the bracket, we have 25 minus 5 A over B is equal to 8 plus 3 A over B. So here we have 25. This will give us 25. We have 25 minus 8 equal to 3 A over B plus 5. That's collecting like terms together. So this will give us 17 equal to 8 A over B. Now making A over B the subject formula to get A over B is equal to 17 over 8, and that will give us, this is two whole number, 1 over 8, or approximately 2.125. Now to two decimal places, it will be 2.13. That is to two decimal places. So A over B is equal to 2.13, correct to two decimal places. And that's the final answer. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, www.educateafrican.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 Mathematics Theory question number 3A. Ali, Musa and Yusuf shared 429,000 in the ratio 3:5:8 respectively. Find the sum of Ali and Yusuf's shares. Alright, so let's first of all find the sum of the ratio. Okay, let's find the sum of the ratio. Let's find first of all the sum of the ratio. Now, so we have so sum okay, so let's begin with the sum of the ratio is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 8, which is equal to 16. Now let's calculate Ali's share. Ali's share is equal to 3/16 times the total amount, which is 429,000. Okay, this will be equal to 78 750 naira. And then uses share will be equal to, it will be equal to 8/16 times the total amount, 429,000, and this will give us 210,000. Okay, so the sum of Alice and Yusuf shares is equal to 778,750 plus 210,000. Then we have a total of 750. Now this is what we have. We have the total. Now the total is 288,750 naira. So that is the total sum of Ali's and Yusuf's share. Okay, maybe I should just rewrite it here. We have total sum is equal to 288,750 naira. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel www.educateafrican.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 Mathematics Theory question number 3b. Solve 2 into 1/8 bracket close raised to power x equal to 32 raised to the power of x minus 1. Okay, so let's begin solving. Now this is 2 into 1/2 raised to power 3 raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 5 into x minus 1. Okay, now this is the same thing as saying 2 into 2 raised to power minus 3, then bracket equals to 2 5 into x minus 1. This is the same thing as saying 2 into 2 into minus 3x, okay, equals to 2 5x minus 1. Okay, so let's continue. So this is the same thing as saying 2 raised to power 1 times 2 minus 3x is equal to 2 5x minus 5. Okay, so this is the same thing as saying 1 plus minus 3x is equal to 5x minus 5. So here we have 1 minus 3x equal to 5x minus 5. So let's come to this side. We have collecting like terms. We have 1 plus 5 equals to 5x plus 3x. So here we have 6 equals to 8x. Now dividing both sides by 8, we have 6 over 8 equals to 8 over 8x. So x is equal to 6 over 8, which is also equals to 3 over 4. So x is equal to 3 over 4. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel www.educateafricans.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 Mathematics Theory question number 4. Now in the diagram, PQRS is a quadrilateral. Angle PQR is equal to angle PRS, which is equal to 90 degrees. Now PQ is equal to 3 centimeter, QR is equal to 4 centimeter, and PS is equal to 13 centimeter. Find the area of the quadrilateral. Now to find the area of the quadrilateral, first in the diagram, let's begin from here. In the diagram, PR squared is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared equals to 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25. Okay, so PR is equal to the root of 25, which is equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, now 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. So we have RS. Let's calculate for RS, which is equal to 13 squared minus 5 squared. Now this will give us 169 minus 25, which is equal to 144, and the root of 144 is equals to 12. Okay, 12 centimeter. Now the area of the quadrilateral is given as area of angle POR plus area of angle triangle PRS. Now let's come to this side to finish up. Now we have 1 over 2 times 4 times 3 plus 1 over 2 times 12 times 5. Okay, so this is 2 times 3 plus 6 times 5. Okay, so this will give us 6 plus 30. So the area of the quadrilateral is 36 centimeter squared. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel www.educateafricans.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 Mathematics question number 5. The question says 3 balls, 3 red balls, 5 green balls and a number of blue balls are put together in a sack. One ball is picked at random from the sack. If the probability of picking a red ball is 1 over 6, find A, the number of blue balls in the sack, and B, the probability of picking a green ball. Okay, so let's nr be equals to 3, ng, the number of green ball, equals to 6, 5, and then the number of blue balls is equal to x. Now using p as probability of getting a red, n r, that is 1/6 is equal to 3, 8 plus x. Okay, so we have 8 plus x is equal to 6 times 3, which is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 minus 8, which is equal to 10. So here we can say that the number of blue balls in the sack is equal to 10. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel www.educateafricans.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 Mathematics Theory question 6A. The question says the force of attraction F between two bodies varies directly as a product of their masses m1 and m2, and inversely as the square of the distance d between them. Given that F is equal to 20 Newton, when m1 is equal to 25 kg, m2 equals to 10 kg, and d equals to 5 meter. Find one in Roman figure an expression F in terms of m1, m2 and d. Then 2 in Roman figure the distance d when F is equal to 30 Newton, m1 equals to 7.5 kilogram and m2 is equal to 4 kilogram. Okay, so let's begin with writing the equation. So beginning from, so we have F is directly proportional to m1 m2 upon r square, which is the distance. So this is equal to, we have F is directly proportional to m1 m2 then the distance d squared. Okay, then we were told that F is equal to 20 Newton, m1 is 25 kg, and then m2 is equal to 10 kg, and then we have d to be equals to 5 meter. So F is equal to g, that is the constant, times 25 times 10 over the distance, which is 5 squared, and that's 25. Okay, so this will give us g. That will be g equal to 20 times 25, then 25 times 10. This will give us 2 Newton meter squared, okay, per kilogram squared. All right, now let's go to a question. A question says to find an expression So the expression is simply f equal to 2 m1 m2 over d squared. That's the expression that is required. Is that okay? And then that is the expression that is required. Then aii we have d squared is equal to the root of okay, let's begin from f from here. So we have f d squared is equal to 2m1 m2. Okay, d squared is equal to the root of 2m1 m2 over f. So we're told that when f is equal to 30 Newton, m1 is equal to 7.5 kg, and then m2 is equal to 4 kg. Okay, so d is equal to 2 times 7.5 times 4, everything divided by 30. Okay, so d is equal to the root of 60 over 30. Okay, so we have d equals to the root of 60 over 30, which is equals to root 2, and d is equal to 1.41 meter approximately. So this is the answer. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel www.educateafricans.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 Mathematics Theory question number 6b. Now, from the diagram of a convex pentagon, we have the interior angle x plus 60, x plus 80, x plus 40, and x plus 20. The question says find the value of x in the diagram. So let's find the sum of all the interior angle and equate it to the sum of interior angles of a convex pentagon. So let's begin with x. Let's start with x plus 60 plus x plus 80 plus x plus 40 plus x plus 20 equal to 2 times 5 minus 4, 90. So here we have 5x plus 200 is equal to 10 minus 4, then 90. So this is equal to 5x plus 200 equals to 6 times 90. This is 5x plus 200 is equal to 540. Okay, 5x is equal to 540 minus 200. 5x is equal to 340. So therefore we have x is equal to 340 over 5, and that will give us 68 degree, and that's the answer. That's the value of x. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, www.educateafricans.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 Mathematics Theory question 7A. Now we have the data showing the mark obtained by student in a biological test. Now we are to construct a frequency distribution table using the class interval from 0 to 9, 10 to 19 and 20 to 29. So I have provided the solution in a tabular form as shown below. So between 0 and 9 we have a frequency of 1. Between the class interval of 10 and 19 we have 3. Between 20 and 29 we have 3 frequency. Between 30 and 39 we have 6. Between 40 to 49 we have 8. Between 50 to 59 we have 12. Between 60 to 69 we have 6. And between 70 to 79 we have 3. Between 80 to 89 we have 4. Now for more videos, I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, www.educateafricans.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 Mathematics question number 7B. Now the data show the marks obtained by student in a biological test. Now from the data that is given, I have provided a table for the frequency and cumulative frequency to draw a cumulative frequency curve for the distribution, as you can see under the solution. So the class boundaries, 9.5 has a frequency of 1, 19.5 3, 29.5 3, 39.56, 49.58, 59.5 12, 69.56, 79.53, 89.54, 99.54. And that is the cumulative frequency, and this is the graph. This is the required cumulative frequency curve for the distribution. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to visit our website, www.educateafricans.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 Mathematics question number 7B. Now it says use the graph to estimate the median, the percentage of students who scored at least 66 marks correct to the nearest whole number. So median is giving us median is equal to the n term over 2 mark. Okay, so we have 58 over 2. This is the 25th mark. Okay, so the 25th mark from the graph is equal to 53.5 marks from the graph. Okay, now to answer the second question, we have the number of students who scored at least 66 marks is equal to 50 minus 37, which is equal to 13. Now the percentage of students who scored at least 66 marks is equal to 13 over 50 times 100. This is equal. Hello and welcome. Today I will be solving Waec 2019 mathematics question 8a. The question says to solve the inequality 1 over 3x minus 1 over 4 into x plus 2 bracket close much greater than 3x minus 1 over 3. Now in order to solve this problem, let us find the LCM of the inequality. Now the LCM is 12. Okay, so we multiply through. Let us multiply through by 12. If we do that, we'll have 1 over 3x times 12 minus 1 over 4 into x plus 2 times 12 much greater than 3x times 12 minus, this is the same thing as saying 4 over 3 times 12. Now this will result to 4x minus 3 into x plus 2, okay, much greater than 36x minus 16. Okay, so this will give us 4x minus, open the bracket, 3x minus 6 much greater than 36x minus 16. So collecting like terms, this is x minus 6 much greater than 36x minus 16. Now x minus 36x is equal to minus 16 plus 6. So here is minus 35x is equal to minus 10. So if we divide both sides by 10, we have we divide both sides by 35. So here we have minus x is much greater than 10 over 35. Okay, so this is the same thing as saying x is much less than, of course if you cancel out here 5 here, you have 2, 5 here, 7. So we have 2 over 7. X is much less than 2 over 7, and that is the solution for the inequality. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, www.educateafricans.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 mathematics question number 8b. Now in the diagram, ABC is a right angled triangle on horizontal ground. AD is a vertical tower. Angle BAC is equal to 90 degrees. Angle ACB is equal to 35 degree. Angle ABD is equal to 52 degree, and BC is equal to 66 meter. Now find correct to two decimal places the height of the tower, and then 2 in Roman figure the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from C. Okay, so in the diagram given in the question, we have sine 35 is equal to AB over 66. So AB is equal to 66 sine 35. Okay, so this will give us 37.86 meter. Okay, now tan also from the diagram, tan 52 is equal to AD over AB. So AD is equal to AB, which is 37.86 times tan 52. Okay, so this one will give us 48.46 meter. That's correct to two decimal places. Okay, now height of the tower, height of the tower is equal to 48.46 to 2 decimal places. Okay, meter. All right, now the B part of the question, B Roman figure 2. In the diagram, it is also given that cos 35 degree is equal to AC over 66. So AC is equal to 66 cos 35 degrees. So AC is equal to 54.067 meter. Okay, so but let's this angle, and let alpha be equal to angle ACD. Let it denote the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from C. Then in triangle DAC, comma, tan alpha is equal to AD over AC, which is equal to 48.46 over 54.07. This will give us 0.8962. So let's finalize everything here. Now the tan inverse of 0.8962 is equal to 41.868 degrees. So to two decimal places, it's equal to 41.87 degrees. That's to two decimal places. Thank you. So we have been able to answer the question. The first one, the height of the tower is obtained to be 48.46 meter, and then the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from sea is 41.87 degree. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, www.educateafricans.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 mathematics question number 10. The question says a woman bought 130 kilogram of tomatoes for 52,000. She sold half of the tomatoes at a profit of 30%. The rest of the tomatoes began to go bad. She then reduced the selling price per kg by 12%. Calculate A, the new selling price per kg, and B, the percentage profit of the entire sales if she threw away 5 kilogram of bad tomatoes. Alright, so if the woman bought 130 kg of tomatoes for 52,000, then the cost price for half of 130 kg should be 65 kg, and that is 26,000. Now, using percentage profit, we have profit is equal to selling price minus cost price over cost price times 100%. So percentage is 30%, okay, is equal to selling price minus 26,000 over 26,000 times 100 over 1. So this will give us 30 times 260 is equal to SP minus 26000. Now we have 7,800 plus 26,000 is equal to the selling price. So selling price is equal to 33,000. Okay, now so selling price per kilogram. So selling price per kilogram is equal to 33,000 divided by 65 kg, and that results to 520 per kilogram. Okay, now let's come to this side, and now for the A part of the question, 12% of 520 will be equal to 62,040 naira, 62 naira 40 kobo. Now the new selling price per kg is now equal to 52,520 minus 62.40. okay, so this will give us 457.60. okay, so that's what we have. Then let's come here for the second part of the question. Now we have, if the woman threw away 5 kilogram of bad tomatoes, then she actually sold 65. She sold 65 minus 5, which is equal to 60, okay. Now so the new selling price of 60 kilogram of tomatoes will now be equal to 457 naira times 60 kg. This will be equals to 27 naira 456 kobo. So the total selling price total selling price will be equal to 33,000 plus 27,456. Total is equal to 61,256. Now let me come to this side and complete the work. It's more better here. Now using profit is equal to selling price minus cost price over the cost price times 100. Okay, so here we have 61,256 minus 52,000 divided by 52,000 times 100. So the final answer is going to be 17.8%. So we have been able to find the percentage profit on the entire sales if she threw away 5 kilograms of bad tomatoes. So the answer is 17.8%. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel www.educateafricans.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 mathematics question number 11A. The question is the third and sixth terms of a geometric progression GP are 1/4 and 1/32 respectively. Find 1 in Roman figure the first term and the common ratio, and then 2 in Roman figure we are expected to find the seventh term. So let's begin with the third term. So let's have for A the third term T3 is equal to AR squared, and then the sixth term is T6 equal to AR5. Okay, so we have AR squared is equal to 1/4. Let's call this equation 1, and then we have AR5 equals to 1/32. Let's call this equation 2. Okay, so divide 2 by 1, equation 2 by 1. So we have A raised to power 5 over A squared equal to 1/32 divided by 1/4. Of course, this is going to give us 1/8. So we have from the law of indices, we have R raised to power 3 equal to 1/8, and then the cube root of 1/8 is equal to 1/2. So from 1 above, let's substitute for R. So we have A times 1/2, which is equal to 1/4. So A is A times 1/4, since it is squared, so is equal to 1/4. So A is equal to 1. Okay, so the first term is 1. and the common ratio is 1 over 2. So the seventh term is also AR6. Okay, so the first term is 1, the common ratio is 1 over 2, all in bracket raised to power 6, and that gives us 1 times 1 over 54, which is equal to 1 over 64. So thank you, we have been able to find the first term and the common ratio. The first term is 1 and the common ratio is 1 over 2. Okay, then substituting the first term and the common ratio into the equation to find the seventh term, we have 1 over 64. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to check our website www.educateafricans.com for more videos. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 mathematics question 11b. Given that 2 and minus 3 are the roots of the equation ax squared plus bx minus c equals to 0, find the values of a, b and c. So let x be equals to 2 or x equals to minus 3, then x minus 2 since it's positive, and then we have x plus 3, everything is equal to 0. So opening the bracket, we have x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. So we have x squared plus x minus 6 equals to 0. So x squared plus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. So by comparing the corresponding terms, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 6. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to subscribe to our website www.educateafricans.com for more videos. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 mathematics question 12a. The question says, given that sin y is equal to 8 over 17, find the value of tan y over 1 plus 2 tan y. Okay, all right, so we'll begin with sin y is equal to 8 over 17. So let us illustrate that with a right angle triangle. Now here we have the y, opposite is 8, and then hypotenuse is 17. Let's label here A, label here B, and here C. So BC squared, let's find BC squared. BC squared is equal to AC squared minus AB squared, which is equal to 17 squared minus 8 squared, and that gives us 289 minus 64. So BC squared is equal to 225. So BC is equal to the root of 225, which is equal to 15. So BC is equal to 15. Then tan y is equal to AB over BC, which is equal to 8 over 15. So substituting into the equation, tan y over 1 plus 2 tan y, we have tan y, just repeating the same thing, 2 tan y. So this one will give us tan y is already 8 over 15. So we have 1 plus 2 multiplied by 8 over 15. So here we have 8 over 15 divided by 1 over 1 divided by 16 over 15. Okay, so this will result to 8 over 15 divided by 31 over 15 over 15. So let's continue here. So here we have 8 over 15 times 15 over 31, which is equal to, because this one we cancel out, we are left with 8 over 31. Okay, so that is the solution to the expression. Now thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to visit our website www.educateafricans.com for more videos. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 Mathematics question 12B. An amount of 300,000 was shared among Otobo, Ada and Adiola. Otobo received 60,000 naira. Ada received 5 over 12 of the remainder, while the rest went to Adiola. In what ratio was the money shared? Okay, so beginning from Otobo, we have 300,000 is the total amount of money that was shared. So Otobo share is equal to 300,000 minus 60,000. The balance is 240,000. Now Ada's share is equal to 5 over 12 times 240,000. This is equal to 100,000. Now Ada's share is equal to 240 minus 100,000. Now 240,000 minus 100,000. This will give us a balance of 140,000, and that is Ade's share. Now the ratio in which the money is shared is, we have 60,000 ratio 100,000 ratio 140,000. So that is in the ratio 3:5:7. So this is the ratio in which the money was shared. Thank you. For more videos, I'd like you to visit our website www.educateafricans.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 mathematics question number 13A. Now in the diagram, RS and RT are tangent to the circle with center O. Angle TUS is equal to 68 degree. Angle SRT is equal to X equal to Y. Find the value of X. Now in the diagram above, angle OTR is equal to angle OSR, which is equal to 90 degrees. Now radius perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. Now obtuse, we have obtuse, which is equal to which is angle TOS equals to 2 times 68 degrees, which is equal to 136 degree. Now that is angle at center. Okay, now thus we have 2 times 4 minus 4 times 90 is equal to 90 plus 136 plus 90 degrees, then plus x. That is the sum of interior angle of quadrilateral OT, that's quadrilateral OTRS. Okay, so that is, we have 8 minus 4 times 90 is equal to 316 degree plus x. So we have 4 times 90 is equal to 316 degree plus x. So we have 360 minus 316 equal to x. So x is equal to 44 degree. So the value of x in the diagram above is 44 degree. For more videos, I'd like you to visit our website www.educateafricans.com. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today I will be answering Waec 2019 mathematics question 13B. two tanks A and B are filled to capacity with diesel. Tank A holds 600 liters of diesel more than tank B. If 100 liters of diesel was pumped out of each tank, tank A would then contain 3 times as much diesel as tank B. Find the capacity of each tank. Now, to find the capacity of each tank, now let's have tank A. This is tank A. Then tank B. Here we have tank B. This is X plus 600 liters, and here we have X liters. Now, from the sentence above, tank A is X plus 600 minus 100 is equal to 3y. So this will give us X plus 500 equals to 3y. Call this one equation 1. And then for tank B, we have X minus 100 equals to y. Call this one equation 2. If you substitute y in equation 1, substitute y in equation 1 above, we have X plus 500 equals to 3 into X minus 100. This will give us X plus 500 equals to 3x minus 300. So here we have 500 plus 300 equal to 3x minus x. So we have 800 equals to 2x. Dividing both sides by 2, x is equal to 400 liters. So the capacity of tank A is equal to 400 plus 600, which is equal to 1000 liters. Then the capacity of tank B is equal to 400 liters. We have been able to find the capacity of each tank. Capacity of tank A is 1000 liters and the capacity of tank B is 400 liters. For more videos, I'd like you to visit our website www.educateafricans.com. Thank you.